The match function is used to find out the position of a value in an array or a range. It is commonly used with the index function. XMATCH is an improvement over the match function. Besides searching first to last, it lets you search last to first too. Let's take a look. The first thing that we'll do is replicate the functionality of the match function. We have a list of countries with their sales for laptops for a particular brand. We need to find out the position of Australia in this list. If you would see carefully, the data is sorted in the ascending order of the laptops sold. Let's write the formula in cell E3. XMATCH. The first parameter is lookup array. This is the value that we know. In our case, it is Australia or the cell E2. The next parameter is lookup array. This is the range where we need to search for the lookup value. We will select the range A2 to A11. Match mode will be exact match, that is search for the exact word Australia. Just like the match function, 0 denotes exact match. And close the bracket. We get the answer as 4. And if we check, Australia is in the 4th position after UAE, UK and France. Now that we've seen that XMATCH can replicate the existing functionality of match, let's look at something new. The match function can only search first to last. However, XMATCH can search both first to last and last to first. If I go back to the formula that I have written, I see that there is one additional parameter called search mode. If I look at the options, the first two options are of interest to us right now. The first option is the default option, which means if you don't specify, XMATCH will search first to last. Now, I will explicitly provide the option to search last to first. As I write -1 and close the bracket, the answer does not change. A common expectation is that it will return 7 here, as Australia is the 7th item from below. This expectation is incorrect. XMATCH may be searching from the last item, but the position of Australia is still 4th. Since we have all unique values, searching from first or searching from last yields the same result. Now let me change Brazil to Australia. Now we have two instances of Australia. Now the result of search last to first is 8, as this is the 8th item. In case you expected 3, remember the counting of the position will be from first. Selecting the last to first option only means that the position of the last item will be returned. So this is the addition that XMATCH brings. Let's change the value back to Brazil. Let's look at an additional functionality. This can be done with both match and XMATCH. I want to find out how many countries sold less than or equal to the threshold value of 30,000. I will write the formula as XMATCH. For lookup value, I will select E5. The lookup array will be B2 to B11, as that's where we have all the values. Match mode will be -1, which stands for exact match or next smaller item. The result is 8. If you count, there are 8 countries where the sale was less than or equal to 30,000. Remember, the column B is sorted in ascending order and therefore this returns the correct value of 8. The number 8 is the position which satisfies exact match or next smaller item. It is the position for the value 29,500. Now this works as the data is sorted. If the data was not sorted, the result would have been different. Let me just sort the data in alphabetical order of countries. Now the answer is 2. In such a scenario, I can use the sort function to get the correct result. I just need to wrap the lookup array in the sort function and it will work. I will just do that for you. And there you have it. So this is how you can use the XMATCH function. I hope this was useful for you. If you like our content, then please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.